Welcome to the depths of the cosmos, where mysteries abound and reality is often stranger than fiction. Today, we will explore a terrifying concept that lurks in the shadows of our universe, one that could spell doom for everything we know in the blink of an eye. What if I told you that our universe might be on the brink of annihilation, poised to end in an instant? Let's unravel this chilling mystery, step by step, and uncover the truths that could keep you awake at night. To grasp this unsettling notion, we must first understand the concept of a false vacuum. In the grand tapestry of the universe, a false vacuum represents a deceptive state of stability. Imagine a perfectly balanced marble perched precariously at the top of a hill. While it appears secure, even the slightest disturbance could send it rolling down into chaos. This idea springs from quantum field theory, which posits that the universe is filled with energy fields that exist in different states. A false vacuum can be thought of as a local minimum of energy where our universe currently resides. While it seems stable, it's merely an illusion, hiding a potentially catastrophic truth. The implications are profound. If our universe is indeed in a false vacuum state, it could collapse into a lower energy state at any moment. Such a sudden cosmic end would obliterate the very fabric of reality as we know it, leaving nothing behind. This haunting possibility leaves us pondering our place in the universe and how fragile our existence truly is. The scientific community has long debated the ramifications of living in a false vacuum. It raises questions about the fundamental nature of existence itself. If everything we know is merely a fleeting illusion, what does that mean for our understanding of time and space? Are we simply living in a fragile bubble, waiting for the universe to pop? And what about the laws of physics that govern our reality? Do they still apply in a world where everything could unravel at any moment? The more we learn about quantum mechanics and the nature of our universe, the more we realize that many of our assumptions may be fundamentally flawed. Now let's delve deeper into why scientists believe our universe might be programmed for a cataclysmic end. The laws of physics, as we understand them, suggest that the universe is finely tuned, existing in a delicate balance that allows for the formation of stars, galaxies, and ultimately life itself. However, this balance is also a double-edged sword. Theoretically, the universe is like a computer program, structured and predictable, yet vulnerable to glitches. The discovery of the Higgs boson added another layer of complexity to this picture. Scientists theorize that a sudden shift in the Higgs field could trigger this catastrophic transformation. Imagine a cosmic timer set to zero, ticking down silently in the background. Should a fluctuation occur in this field, it could cause a cascade of events leading to universal destruction. The intricate fabric of our reality could unravel in an instant, leaving us powerless to intervene. This notion raises a chilling question. Are we living on borrowed time? The fear of an unexpected end looms large, as we exist within a cosmic framework that might not be as stable as it seems. The potential for sudden cosmic events that could lead to our destruction is a source of anxiety among scientists and astronomers. With advancements in technology, we can observe distant galaxies and cosmic phenomena, but the knowledge we gain also highlights our vulnerability. The idea that we might be on a predetermined path towards destruction, like an unwitting actor in a cosmic play, is deeply unsettling. It prompts us to question the nature of existence itself. Are we merely puppets in a universe governed by cruel cosmic forces? Or do we have the power to change our fate? As we continue to explore the cosmos, we must confront the uncomfortable truth that our understanding is still vastly incomplete. The Higgs field is not just an abstract concept, it's an integral part of the very structure of our universe. This omnipresent field is responsible for giving mass to particles through its interactions. Picture it as a thick syrup permeating the universe. When particles move through the syrup, they acquire mass, which allows them to form the matter that makes up everything we know, from stars to planets to ourselves. But what happens if this essential field undergoes a significant change? In a scenario where the Higgs field shifts to a lower energy state, particles would lose their mass, and the very structure of matter as we know it would cease to exist. Imagine a world where gravity no longer holds us down, where atoms cannot bond to form molecules, and where the laws of physics as we know them simply break apart. This collapse would not be a gradual process. It would be instantaneous and all-consuming. Galaxies, stars, and planets would disintegrate in mere moments, and life as we know it would be extinguished. It's a nightmare lurking beneath the surface of our reality, ready to strike without warning. The Higgs field, which we once believed to be a source of stability, might instead serve as a ticking time bomb. The implications of a shifting Higgs field stretch beyond mere scientific theory. They touch on our deepest existential fears. If we were to lose the very fabric of our physical reality, how would we even comprehend such a loss? Our understanding of life, the universe, and everything in it would be irrevocably shattered. Moreover, the search for the Higgs boson itself, once a pinnacle of scientific achievement, now feels eerily like a search for a key that might unlock our doom. Scientists continue to study this elusive field, attempting to unravel its secrets, but as they dig deeper, they may inadvertently inch closer to the precipice of cosmic oblivion. Enter the concept of the apocalypse bubble, a tiny disturbance in the Higgs field that could initiate this universal collapse. Imagine this bubble as a cosmic wave, propagating through space, consuming everything in its path. It starts with a seemingly innocuous event, perhaps a particle collision in a distant galaxy or an unforeseen fluctuation in energy. This bubble represents a transition from the false vacuum state to a true vacuum state, where the laws of physics as we know them break down. A bubble like this would expand at the speed of light, devouring everything it encounters. Stars, planets, entire galaxies would fall victim to this relentless force. The eerie reality is that we may never even know when it begins. One moment, everything seems normal. The next, we find ourselves enveloped in darkness. The apocalypse bubble would not discriminate. It would sweep across the universe with ruthless efficiency, rendering any attempt to escape futile. As we look up at the night sky, we may be gazing upon the last remnants of a reality that will soon cease to exist. Consider the notion that our entire existence could be appended by something as inconspicuous as a particle collision. This thought sends chills down the spine. The universe operates on principles we are just beginning to comprehend, and the potential for a catastrophic event to initiate from a minuscule disturbance is haunting. It begs the question, how many other such disturbances are lurking in the shadows of the cosmos, waiting for the right moment to strike? The idea that we are so utterly vulnerable to forces beyond our control is both terrifying and humbling, forcing us to confront the limits of our understanding and the fragility of our existence. The final chilling truth is this: we may never know when the end might come. The universe operates on a scale of time and events far beyond human comprehension. As we gaze into the night sky, marveling at the stars, we might be witnessing the remnants of a past long gone. The vastness of space is filled with uncertainties and unpredictable phenomena. Despite our incredible advancements in understanding the cosmos, the looming threat of a sudden end remains ever present. We could be seconds away from an irreversible transformation that renders our reality unrecognizable. The fear of the unknown is a powerful motivator, reminding us that even as we strive to comprehend the universe, we exist on a fragile precipice. The delicate balance that sustains our reality is constantly at risk. And while we continue to push the boundaries of knowledge, we must also grapple with the unsettling possibility that our time may be far more limited than we ever imagined. The allure of the unknown fuels our quest for knowledge, but it also instills a profound sense of vulnerability. What is it about the human condition that drives us to seek understanding, even in the face of impending doom? Perhaps it's the desire to find meaning in a chaotic universe, or the hope that knowledge can empower us to change our fate. Regardless, the tension between exploration and existential dread remains a constant theme in our pursuit of truth. As we gaze into the cosmos, we are reminded that while we seek to illuminate the shadows of the universe, we may also be peering into the darkness that awaits us. As we conclude our journey through this cosmic nightmare, let's take a moment to reflect on the fragility of existence. The mysteries of the universe hold both wonder and terror, reminding us that we are but small players in a grand cosmic drama. So, the next time you look up at the stars, remember the lurking possibilities, the fragile balance of our reality, and the eerie quiet of the cosmic unknown. Our universe may be full of beauty and wonder, but it also harbors secrets that can unravel everything in the blink of an eye. Thank you for joining us on this chilling exploration. Until next time, keep pondering the mysteries of the cosmos. After all, knowledge is our greatest weapon against the darkness.